Hi, beloveds. Good morning. I'm going into DC today. I love going into DC. And I'm driving. But anyways, what I want to say, beloveds, is many times we have enough information. You have enough information. And getting information when you're trying to do something, it's a good thing. It's important. We need information to make good choices. But what I am seeing is that at some point, you have enough information. You have enough. And you're continuing to search for more information because it makes you feel like you're being productive when you're not. You're just like a hamster spinning in a wheel going nowhere. And if you think deep down, you're continuing to go in this circle to get all this information, more information than you need, because you're afraid of execution. The more information you get, it allows you to procrastinate and not actually take the action that you said you were going to take. So sometimes we think that, I'm going to go get more information. I'm going to keep doing this. And you feel like you're productive, but you're really not. What you need to do is say, okay, I've got all the information I need. Now I need to execute. Okay. And if you find yourself in a circle of continuing to get more information, more, it may be that is your way subconsciously of leaning into your fear and just not executing. So at some point, just think about it and say, I just need to do whatever this thing is I'm going to do. Because the real truth of the matter is that the information you really need to be successful, you find that out in the doing of it. So by taking action, by executing something, you're actually getting the information you need through the act of execution. And in sociology, we call it action research. You do something, you take action, and then you get information from that action, and then you take more action with the information that you're learning as you do. So at some point, what you read in a book, some point the videos you watch, the webinars or whatever, that can only get you so far. There's nothing like actually getting in the thick of it and doing it, executing, okay? So I hope we got the point of that. Execute, don't run in circles, and understand that the best way to get information is to actually do the thing. Do the thing, and then you will learn more, and then you take more action. But the theory and all of that, it's helpful to an extent, but it is not the end all and be all. All right, so take care, beloveds. Self-care. Take care. Bye-bye.